Hello, hi there. I'm Saantu Roy, systems architect and educator. My career has been dedicated to architecting, building, and transforming large scale technology systems across industries and global environments. I work across artificial intelligence, generative AI, full stack development, cloud native architecture, DevOps automation, full stack engineering, and large scale infrastructure modernization. Over the years, I have developed not just technical depth but architectural perspective, understanding how real world systems are designed, scaled, secured, and maintained in production environments. This experience shapes how I teach, and I wish you will enjoy my way of teaching or guiding. Core expertise, technical breed, artificial intelligence and generative AI, cloud native systems and distributed architecture, DevOps and infrastructure automation, full stack engineering, system design and architectural patterns, production scale optimization. Global and cross industry experience, working across diverse industries and environments, has given me insight into how business actually operate and how I can relate in the real world situation and help you learn. My teaching philosophy: most technology programs focus heavily on theory, but real world systems require structured thinking, architectural clarity, practical execution, production awareness. My teaching approach is built around system thinking over isolated coding, real world architectural patterns, hands-on implementation, industry relevant workflows. You won't just learn concepts, you will learn how to build with confidence. What students actually need. Through years of building and mentoring, I have observed that learners need clear fundamentals, practical application, context behind decisions, exposure to real architectural trade-offs, skills that translate directly to production environment. That's exactly what these courses are designed to provide. Through structured learning, paths, practical exercises, and real-world architectural frameworks, you will strengthen your technical foundations, develop system-level thinking, understand suitable design pattern, gain production-ready confidence, move beyond tutorials into true engineering. That's what I wish for you. Who this is for? Students, those who want clarity, structure, and strong foundation. Practitioners, engineers who want to move from writing code to designing systems. The promise, that is very important. Through structured thinking, real world patterns, and hands-on experience, these courses help you build with assurance, not just knowledge but confidence. Your next step, if you are ready to reinforce your fundamentals, think architecturally, build production ready systems, elevate your technical capability, you are in the right place. Let's begin.